one in here for you guys.
Jack! Jack, you gotta get in the crate. Jack, crate.
No.
Jack, crate.
I'm trying to get the dogs in.
What do you mean you refuse? There's no refusing.
Not me in
It's a
here.
dog crate.
Crazy.
Ben wants to get locked in.
Second.
Ben, show me your treats. You put them up on the top of the
So the dog can
Cur
see them.
tower.
The Cur Tower, and now they can see the treats, so they know that they go down, and then they know the treats are in the kennel. So now they want to go in, so that like we can lock them in with me. See what
Molly,
they do.
go in there. Molly,
The treats.
Molly, there's treats. Oh, there she goes.
Lock her in.
Okay, locking her in. I can't get the lock. Your head is in the way, Ben. There it goes. Okay. There we struggled. Okay. Ben, Molly, time for night-night. Good curs. What do you... She got a treat?
Yep, she got one treat.
She got one?
One I lost
Hey,
one,
Max.
and now she doesn't know where the other ones are.
How you doing? Molly. Molly, relax. It's a 24-hour challenge. Just kidding.
It's a challenge. Overnighter.
Overnighter!
Real
Good
challenge.
job, buddy. Did
Oh,
great. Max, you're just staring at her?
I think she wants to go in. She wants to go in.
I think we definitely need to do a 24-hour challenge in the dog crate. Just kidding.